Entropy, from messy rooms to the fabric of reality. Take a look around you. Your room, your desk, the air moving quietly around your body. Everything you see is changing, slowly, silently, inevitably. There is a hidden rule guiding all of it. That rule is called entropy. Most people are told entropy means disorder, but that's not quite true. Entropy is something far deeper, something more subtle, something that connects rooms, heat, time, information, and even quantum reality itself. Imagine two rooms. The clean room. Books are stacked. Clothes are folded. Everything has a place. Now ask yourself, how many different ways can this room still look clean? Not many. Move one book out of place, it already feels wrong. Drop one shirt on the floor, the order breaks. This room has very few allowed arrangements. This is low entropy. Imagine the messy room. Now imagine the opposite. Clothes everywhere, books scattered, shoes, cables, papers mixed together. Here's the strange part. You can rearrange this mess in millions of ways, and it will still look messy. Most arrangements lead to mess. Very few lead to order. This is high entropy. Entropy is not about how things look. Entropy is about how many hidden ways things can be arranged while still looking the same to us. Entropy in physics. Energy spreading out. Now let's move from rooms to physics. Imagine a hot cup of coffee in a cold room. At first, heat is concentrated in the coffee. The room is cooler. Over time, heat flows out. Energy spreads. Everything reaches the same temperature. Why does this always happen? Because there are far more ways for energy to be spread out than to stay concentrated in one place. Nature doesn't prefer disorder. Nature follows probability. And spread out energy is overwhelmingly more probable. Entropy increases. The arrow of time. Why does time move forward? Why don't shattered glasses reassemble? Why doesn't smoke jump back into a cigarette? Why don't memories form of the future? Because entropy was lower in the past than it is now. Time flows in the direction entropy increases. Without entropy, there is no irreversibility, no memory, no cause and effect. Entropy gives time its direction. Entropy as information. Now we go deeper. Entropy is not just about energy. Entropy is about information. Imagine a coin. Before you look at it, you don't know if it's heads or tails. Your uncertainty is high. Your entropy is high. After you look, uncertainty collapses. Entropy drops. Entropy measures how much you don't know about a system. This idea becomes revolutionary in quantum physics. Quantum entropy, where things get strange. In the quantum world, something shocking happens. A whole system can have zero entropy while its parts have high entropy. How? Through entanglement. Imagine two quantum particles. They are perfectly entangled. Together, the system is exact, pure, complete. But when you look at just one particle, it looks random. Not because it is random, but because the information lives between them. Emphasis: the entropy is not inside the particle. The entropy is created by ignoring the other half. This is called entanglement entropy. Measurement and observers. Now place yourself into the picture. When you measure a quantum system, your eyes interact, your brain records, your memory stores an outcome. You become entangled with the system. But here's the key. You do not track the entire universe. You ignore air molecules, photons, the environment. That act of ignoring is a cut. Measurement is entanglement plus forgetting. Entropy increases not because reality breaks, but because you cannot see everything at once. Why reality looks classical. Why don't we see quantum superpositions? Because everything is entangled with everything else. Entanglement spreads extremely fast. Quantum phases get washed out. This process is called decoherence. Not collapse, not magic, just entropy exploding into the environment. Black holes and the edge of knowledge. Even black holes have entropy. In fact, the most entropy of anything in the universe. And surprisingly, their entropy depends on surface area, not volume. Why? Because entropy comes from entanglement across the horizon. The event horizon is the ultimate information cut. Entropy is the cost of not seeing beyond the boundary. Final truth. Entropy is not disorder. Entropy is not chaos. Entropy is hidden possibility. It is the shadow cast by information you cannot access. It creates time, classical reality, measurement, and even space-time itself. The universe is not running down. It is spreading information into deeper and deeper correlations. And every moment you experience is written in the language of entropy.